Is this the train to desert moon? Was the soul to said? I know what had strangest voice before. I tried to look into her eyes, but she moves away. She was standing in the rain, trying hard to speak my name. They say first love never runs dry. The waiters pour some memories in a tiny cup. We stumble over words we long to hear. We talk about the dreams we lost or giving up. When the whistle cut the night and shock silence from my lives, as the last trains rolled toward the moon. Those summer nights when we were young, we brag of things we'd never done. We were dreamers, holy dreamers. And in our haste to grow up too soon with the innocence, the desert moon, we were dreamers, holy dreamers. On desert moon, on desert moon, on desert moon, desert moon. I still can hear the whisper of the summer night. It echoes in the corners of my heart. The nights into the waited for the desert rain. All the words we meant to say, all the chances slip away, still remain on the road to the dawn. Those summer nights when we were young, we brag of things we've never done. We were dreamers, holy dreamers. When moments pass and time moves on, but the dreams remain for just as long as the dreamers. All the dreamers on desert moon, on desert moon, on desert moon, desert moon. Lord, please subscribe my channel. Lifestyle TV. Lifestyle TV. Para updated kayo sa mga video ko, please hit the button. Para updated kayo sa susunod na mga kalukuhan ko ginagawa. Maraming salamat po.